Alright guys, so just released some merch. We have some stickers, a beautiful notebook, and this very trendy apron. Enjoy the vid.
You will need 3 ounces or 85 grams of butter or margarine, 6 ounces or 175 grams of plain flour, 3 ounces or 85 grams of caster sugar, 1 large mixing bowl, 1 dish with the radius of at least 20 centimeters, and 1 tablespoon, 1 large cooking apple, 200 grams of frozen or unfrozen blackberries, a small amount of sugar for fruit sprinkling. Pour your butter into the bowl. Pour your sugar into the same bowl. Cream the butter and sugar together until fluffy. Gradually, pour your flour into the bowl. Once more flour is added, mix it well with your fingertips. It should end up as a breadcrumb consistency. We need to have the apple peeled and cut into relatively small pieces. Make sure you don't cut up the core. Pour your apple into the dish. Pinch some sugar and sprinkle it over the apple. Put your apple in the microwave for 90 seconds. Take your slightly stewed apple out of the microwave. It should be soft enough to slightly mush up. Pour your blackberries into the dish with the apple. Trust me guys, I'm not bleeding. Grab a fork and stir the blackberries and apple so they are mixed into each other. Pour your crumble mixture over the fruit. Using a fork, spread the crumble mixture so it is evenly spread over the fruit. Place the dish into the oven for 30 minutes at 200 degrees or gas mark 6. Once your apple and blackberry crumble is out of the oven, it is ready to eat. Using a serving spoon, shape out a slice and scoop it into the bowl.